Isa, dalawa, tatlo.
Oh, bagong bag to, guys. Oh, thank you, Cloak and Hong Kong Disneyland for trusting me to be content creator for today. Today's Pixar Summer Fest. It's the new Magic Passport, guys. It's a Pixar theme, Mickey. This is for the tablet. Ito, ano to? Ah, oh my God, mahuhulog. Ayaw ko nahawakan.
One, two, three, and smile.
Good morning! It's a beautiful day to visit Disneyland. Kakagising lang namin. We had a really good sleep and now we're off to breakfast. We're gonna have a buffet breakfast dito sa Disney Explorer Lodge. So ito siya para sa inyong kaalaman. Dragonwind is located in second floor. It starts at 7:30 to 11. Adult 328, child 228. 60 minutes from admission time ka lang pwede magstay for the breakfast buffet dining. Yan. So, papasok na kami ni JR. So, meron pang nag-escort sa amin. Thank you so much! So, binigyan kami nito. So, meet and greet. Mickey and Friends. 8:10 daw sila dadating. Oh, exciting. Ito yung interior ng Dragonwind. Hindi ko lang alam ko ng mga pagkain. Wait lang. So, dito yung meet and greet. Yan. Later. Tapos, dito tayo kahapon. Alala nyo yung parang nasa Thailand tayo. Ito yun. Okay, umpisahan na natin. You can have it cooked, French toast. Live cooking station to. Pwede kang magpagawa ng egg na gusto mo. And then, may mga boiled egg, scrambled purple sweet potato, roasted beef, mga sausages, bacon, meatloaf, penne, tomato sauce, hash brown, cheese bar, salad. Ang cute nung quinoa. Quinoa to eh. Yung cheese nakaayos sa bansa. So, France, Italy, Germany, Switzerland, France. Oh my God. Sarap niyan. Ito yung salad station, ham, prosciutto. I miss Parma. Grilled pork neck, mixed vegetables. Lentil, vegetable curry, teriyaki sauce. Roti, miso soup. Mga condiments. Condiments ba tawag doon?
Toppings.
Toppings. For toast, mga bread. Yung asawa ko, mahilig sa ganito. Ano mga bread. Look at the Mickey waffle. Ay, ito, kuha tayo ng mga ganyan. Ito na lang yung anin natin. Donuts. Oatmeal raisin cookie. Blueberry muffin. Ito na lang yung mga kunin natin. Gawin natin yung ganun-ganun. Flour rolls. Vermicelli. With sliced meat and vegetable. Congee station. Oh, look at the fresh milk. Cutie. Hong Kong Disneyland. Wow, may probiotics pa. I like. Kuha ko mamaya. Pwede magbaon. Baonin natin sa park. Fruits. May nakaslice na fruits na. Ah, I like this. Wonton noodles. Wonton beef ball vermicelli. Ito dim sum. Shrimp dumpling. Oh, wow. Wow. Siopaw. Wow. Tapos pork ribs, spare ribs, pwede. Steamed rice. Ah, spring roll, pan-fried pork bun, barbecue pork puff. Wow, ito masarap to. Drinks, they have apple, orange, and milk with cereals. Tapos meron ding pangbata. Cute. Alam nyo ba, sa hotel, usually, pag wala akong maisip na kainin, cornflakes lang ako. Lagi akong cereals. Tapos, meron din silang tea, coffee, hot milk, soy milk with lemon. She's here. Hi, Manny! Good morning! Hi! Good morning!
Isa, dalawa, tatlo. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Aza.
Thank you. Ako si Ata. Thank you.
Thank you, Asa. Let's eat, guys. Ito yung mga kinuha ko, mga weird. Weird? Sumako pa isa-isa na naman. Congee, of course, para mainit ang tiyan. Tapos kumuha na ako nitong mga to para cutie. Done with our breakfast. Okay naman yung food. Hindi lang talaga ako buffet person. So talagang feeling ko luging-lugi talaga ako sa mga breakfast buffets. Tapos hindi ko rin naubos yung dessert. Pero happy naman. Masarap. Pero mas enjoy ko pa din yung dinner namin kagabi. It's one of the best buffet na natikman ko, lalo na dito sa Disneyland. We have arrived in the park. Today is media day. So maraming makikita na mga naka-ID nakalagay mga media, content creators, ganyan. And we're very privileged na na-invite tayo na nandito tayo ngayon. Thank you, Lord! Oh my gosh. Ayan si Winnie, oh. Hello! Pixar Summerfest! Pati yung tunog, pati yung sounds, background music are all Pixar. I think The Incredibles yata yung music na yan eh, if I'm not mistaken. Hey guys, so kung makikita nyo, napalitan ko na ang ating mga paraphernalia today because we got some loot bag! It's a Toy Story loot bag! O, bagong bag to guys. So, binigyan kami nito. Itong headband si Potato Head. And then this one, Pixar na Pixar ang theme natin because we are attending Pixar Summer Fest today. And of course, ang pinakamahalaga sa lahat ng IDI, oh, thank you, Cloak and Hong Kong Disneyland for trusting me to be content creator for today's Pixar Summer Fest. Ayan. So, susuotin lang natin to the whole day because yan ang magiging daan natin, susi, sa lahat ng mangyayari ngayong araw na to. Ang dami. O, diba? Hindi natin kailangan bumili, pero bibili tayong damit. Ligwak na muna to ngayon. Binigyan din kami ng tubig. Finally, akala ko bibili rin ako ng tubig today. Galing, sobrang grateful. And then we also were given 2-day complimentary pass until tomorrow kasi bukas meron kaming bagong activity na gagawin, which is the new Magic Passport. Oh, para makita nyo. It's the new Magic Passport, guys. It's a Pixar Magic Passport. So, nagdagdag sila ng madaming pages. Actually, parang dalawa lang naman yung dinagdag nila na stamp. So, which is this one, and then Pixar sa Andy's Toy Box, and of course, sa The Incredibles na makikita mo sa Grizzly Gulch. Yan. So, meron ding Inside Out, may Coco, may Toy Story 5 na rin here, and then you get a free gift, which I don't know the free gift yet. Papakita ko rin sa inyo yung process. So, we will just show this ticket. This is our 2-day complimentary, and then dito tayo mag-enter dito sa designated entrance. We're here! We're inside! So, take a look at the new design at the park. Wait, may kasama pala ako. Ayun na. Oh, it's a new design. It's a Pixar theme, Mickey at the entrance. This is the new Pixar theme, Pixar Summerfest. Change outfit tayo, guys. Yay! I am on my Jessie's blouse. Yeah! Naglalakad na si Jessie. Papunta na siya doon. So ito guys, yung pwesto namin sa media day. Dito kami sa gilid. Naghihintay kami ng parade. Oh, ayan na! Let's go!
The event will begin in just a few minutes. Hello everyone, and welcome to the Pixar Summerfest All-Star Showcase. And now, please welcome your hosts.
This summer, step into the big fun world of Pixar, right here at Hong Kong Disneyland Resort. Pixar pals are out in full force, bringing familiar faces, unexpected moments, and playful surprises everywhere.
Si Merida nandyan! Ang layo!
同大家一齊開拍。大眼仔米高同毛毛就以佢哋嘅友情證明咗笑聲嘅能。呢場匯演更會喚醒你心深處最真愛嘅回憶。
Projection. Here they are, our friends for Pixar Sadness!
Spirits high, gotta cool things off. See coming down the green for you and me. Gotta cool it off, gotta cool it down. If I were a good friend with a million parts to I wouldn't have nothing for you like a friend of me. Ang bilis niya naman! Hi! Ang bilis naman nila!
We are so excited for everyone to play together with their favorite Pixar pals here at Hong Kong Disneyland.
So we're here now, Tomorrowland Station, for the character meet up again. So siya yung gumagawa ng mga damit ng The Incredibles.
Ready, 1, 2, and next pose. Yeah. Whoa. Wow. Thank you.
Guys, sasakay muna kami ni JR na Hyperspace Mountain. One of my favorite rides here in Hong Kong Disneyland. Wala kasing pila. Tsaka hindi pa niya nasakyan. Nung nagpunta si JR dito, nung sarado. So, sakyan natin ngayon. Pero kailangan tanggalin to kasi lilipad siya. Tsaka itong mga ganito, tatanggalin natin. Tumakay kami ng Hyperspace, guys. Sinabangan namin yung picture namin dito. Ready, oh. So this is summer lemonade and then sweet soup dumpling. Ito naman, maize turning red corn dog. Tapos yung isa, up egg puff. Yan, up egg puff. And then this one is Remy's Ratatouille chicken salad wrap. This one. Tapos mga chocolates butter cookies. Giant Pixar chocolate ball. Ito yon, Giant Pixar chocolate ball. And then lime Dole Whip pineapple slush float. Ito yon. Alien souvenir sipper. Ito. And this one is brioche gelato sandwich. Mike Wazowski ice cream bar. And then alien ice cream bar. Ito rin, ito yung Mike Wazowski ice cream bar. Ito si Anger Hot Dog, Joy Honey Mustard Popcorn, Anxiety Bacon and Cheese Flavored Popcorn. May bacon and cheese. Tapos ito yung Bullseye Popcorn Bucket, Cars Popcorn Bucket, Up Light Balloon. Oh, ito yung light up balloon. This one, you can make your own pizza. Meron din dun sa kabila. And then this one, afternoon tea. If you want an afternoon tea with these characters, yes. Sila joy, anger, sadness, disgust, anxiety. And then, ito naman yung drink. Passion fruit. The buffet dessert, green tea mango mousse cake, mascarpone cream Swiss roll, apricot and pistachio cream cake, passion fruit and white chocolate mousse cake, and then raspberry chocolate mousse with fresh fruit. Ito naman, mga pork buns. Forky barbecue pork bun, Mike green tea, and lotus seed puree bun. Tapos si Solly black pepper beef bun. Tapos ito si Fluffy blue and Toothy green. Ito yung nakita nyo sa kwarto, guys. Yung mga in-room theme surprises like mga headband, mug, towels, tapos mga pop-up cards. And then this pillow. Ito yung craft workshop naman. Pwede mong pagawa sa mga kids. Yan. So, meron yan sa Disney Explorer Lodge. Sa 3 Disney hotels, pwede kang mag-craft workshop dyan. Ito yung mga gagawin. And then, there's Toy Story Friendship Keepsake Workshop. Ito naman yun. Meron din silang Pixar Bento Making Workshop. Ayan, sa Disney Hollywood Hotel naman to. So, ito yung Bento Workshop. It's so nice. Twist and Turn Toy Story Balloon Workshop sa Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel and Disney Hollywood Hotel. And then there's Spirit of Adventure Craft Workshop. Ito sa Disney Explorer Lodge. Finding Nemo Poolside Leisure Times. Ito yun. Sa pool yata ito ng Explorer Lodge. And then, mga photo cards kapag ka nagpa-print kayo. Ito yung mga frames. Meron din dito. Meron ding malaki na may drawing. Then, meron mga bracelet, friendship bracelets. Yung mga character yan. And then, mga new medallions. And then, new magic passport. Pixar. Ginulo na nung iba. Ito mga tote bags. Headband. Plushie. Sino to?
Angry Jack.
Angry Jack.
Jack.
Tapos ito yung bag, sling bag. Pamaypay. Mga mini ears. The new Toy Story merch. Ayan, may mga phone holder. Ay, si Ham! Tapos chocolates, tapos bag. Ito, ang cute naman nito. Yan. Meron ding sling yung Woody na yan. And then, yung headband na yan. Shades. Mga bag charms. Itong tumbler, shirt, bag. Ito, cute talaga tong mug na to. Tapos ito yung nasusulatan. And then magnet. Toy Story 5 magnet. Scrunchies. Mga pins. Mahilig sa pins. And then ito, this is a bag. And then ito, tote bag. So ito yung headband ko. Tapos Jessie doll. And then ito yung suot ko ngayon. And then pati yung hat na yun at hat na yun. Tapos plush. Ito yung shoulder plush na yun. And then this ID holder. Like a boss. Bag din pala to. Sheriff. This one is pang tablet. This is for the tablet. Cute. Ito, ano to? Oh my God, mahuhulog. Ayoko na hawakan. Ayun, tapos mga kaibigan sa mga bago, Duffy and Friends. Ito yung mga bago nila. Hindi ko na isa-isahin yan. May mga tiara pa. Cute ng mga damit. Yan silang lahat. And then Marvel. Towel. Bath towel din to. Ooh! Damit. Sling bag. Tumbler. Uy! Ba't hindi ko to nakita? Ito oh, Spider-Man. Bag. Kailangan ko niyan.
Shot glass. Shot puno.
Shot puno.
Shot puno.
And then this one. Bagong mga I Love Hong Kong Disneyland. Ang cute naman nito. Oo. Tapos mga magnet. Magnet yan. Magnet frame. Ano to? Cookies siguro to. Tapos cutlery. Headband. And then t-shirt. Shoulder plush. Hi everyone! Commercial muna! Nandito kayo ngayon sa channel ko. My name is Maine Ibiernas. I started content creation 2023. Nag-start ako sa mga short form videos and I just started long form videos here on YouTube last May 2025. So I'm fairly new. I'm a baby YouTuber and I thank you for being here, for watching my videos. And if you find value in all of it, I hope that you will like, comment, and subscribe as well. So why would you subscribe or why would you follow me? If you're the type of person who loves to follow real reviews, raw reactions, and raw emotions, then this is perfect for you. I also share about my faith, being a Catholic. I love churches. I don't like museums, not that much, but when it comes to the Catholic Church, I'm very much okay with it. I love sceneries. I love beaches. I love the water. I'm not a budget traveler. I always make sure that I work hard to be convenient as much as possible. But I'm not a luxurious traveler. Okay? So just to be clear with all of you, hindi ako nagsusplurge for 100,000 pesos per night na room. Hindi rin ako bumibili ng mga luxury items. I'm not that kind of person. Just to give you a background, I'm a former ICU nurse. Now I'm an entrepreneur for 15 years. Line of business ko is skincare, beauty gadgets, home care, and at the same time, my husband and I are also Catholic missionaries. So what does it mean? We are part of the Light of Jesus family or the Feast family. Kaya nakikita nyo kami mag-travel mostly on Asia is because we're also taking care of North Asia, which is Japan and Hong Kong as of the moment. I give tips and tricks. I do not gatekeep things. And as much as possible, I share the real things that are happening during my travel. I'm married, but we have no kids yet. We're still praying for a child. So please pray with us. I'm approaching 40 this year. So andun na ako sa mga chill itineraries. Hindi na ako yung papagod-paguran at hahabulin yung araw para lang matapos lahat ng nasa itinerary. I'm not that kind of traveler anymore. I'm the type of traveler also na on the first day sa bagong bansa or bagong pupuntahan, natutulog muna pagdating ng hotel and then lalabas na lang sa gabi. Ganon. And since you're here on my YouTube channel, you will see affiliate links and affiliate codes. So, of course, to be transparent with all of you, I earn from it. So when you use my discount codes and when you click the links that I have posted in my description box below, I earn a little bit of it with no additional cost for you. So nakaka-discount ka na or nakakatipid ka na, tapos yung matitipid mo, makukuha ko as commission. To tell you the truth, lahat po ng mga kinikita ko sa content creation ko. I have a team who's helping me edit this video. I have a team who's helping me with my Facebook group. I also have a church that I support. Kaya rin gustong-gusto ko na ipagpatuloy ito is because we have people under our care. So this is why I am passionately doing this and continuously doing short form and long form videos is because I want to share my blessings also to other people and most especially my church community. At the same time, this also funds my travels. Yeah, I'm really, really grateful for all of you, most especially if you watch this video and you do not skip ads because the ads pay us. So thank you so much. So that's a little bit of introduction from my part. So yun lang. God bless guys. Enjoy watching this vlog. So we are eating here at Golden Crocus Inn. This is in Frozen. Yan, ito yung interior ng Frozen. Pero hindi ka pwede makaakyat. So all you have to do is order first. Kung naka-meal voucher ka sa Klook, di ba may meal voucher doon? Pakita mo muna yung meal voucher mo and then order food there and add on. Pwede rin mag-add on dyan. Kasama na drinks kasi may meal nga yun. Tapos, yung resibo, bigay mo sa kanila. Just get your order here. Yan. So malawak pa yan hanggang dun pa yan sa dulo. Pakita ko sa inyo kung anong in-order ko. Actually, pareho kami ng in-order ni JR eh. Pareho kami ng in-order. Chicken roll.
Hindi na namin kaya mag-lamb dahil ang dami na namin meat kagabi pa.
Correct.
Baka di na tayo matunawa.
Correct. So dapat orderin ko yung meatballs with anong tawag doon? Meatballs with potato. Ano yung mashed potato? Kaso add-on pala siya, 55 Hong Kong dollar. Wag na lang. Eh ito, kasama sa meal namin today. Ang maganda kasi, pagka may meal voucher ka sa Klook, tapos pagka parang 150 yata Hong Kong dollars yung meal voucher. Pag kulang dun sa order, kasi medyo nasa 200 Hong Kong dollars tong order natin, magdadagdag ka na lang. Kung gusto mo dito. Pero meron namang mga restaurant na saktong 150 rin yung...
Kulang.
Oh, although parang feeling mo kulang din yun. Ay, grabe. Nabasa lang yung buhok ko. O, umunat na siya. Dahil nabasa siya. Kain tayo. May kasamang tubig na siya. So parang red sauce tong ano. Tapos may kasama siya dessert. Masarap to. Actually, meron pa kaming for dinner later pero late kami magdi-dinner. 2:30 na eh. Next activity natin, punta tayo sa Animation Academy. Actually, first time ko nga pupunta doon sa Animation Academy. I think mag-drawing kami or something. Basta, papakita ko naman yun sa inyo later. Exciting. Ang dami nating first. Tapos sobrang konti ng tao sa park ngayon. Like 5-minute waiting time. Yung iba walang waiting time. This is Main Street, guys. Nakita niyo yung mga banners. It's all Pixar. Tapos ito yung balloon. So, na-interview pa nga tayo ng China media. Hindi ko alam kung anong pinagsasabi ko. Tinanong kasi ko anong favorite kong Pixar movie. Sabi ko, syempre Toy Story. Sabi ko na I love Woody, Jessie, and other toys, friendship, blah blah blah, ganyan. So, ngayon papunta kami dito sa next activity natin is Animation Academy. So, I think we're gonna draw and meet characters today. So, yeah. Ito yung Animation Academy. So, we are inside Animation Academy wherein I feel like magdo-drawing kami. Kasi magaling ako mag-drawing. Charot, hindi ako marunong mag-drawing, alam niyo yan. Yun ang pinagkait ni Lord sa akin. Sabi ko nga sa inyo kagabi, di ba? Ayan na, nagsisimula na. So, ito yung papel namin sa table. Ayan. Parang classroom type siya. Laki niya, oh.
教学生感动画的时候听不懂的话，跟着荧幕画都可以的。而且你们的纸上面有2条虚线的，
Hindi na maintindihan.
要的話，中間咧畫兩條彎線平均將呢個個人形咧分成3份。眼睛的管到星星。
Ba yan, hindi mo marunong mag-drawing? Tingnan nyo naman ginagawa ko. Ang layo dun sa drawing niya sa ano.
他自己少少畫埋另一邊。
si Bruni?
T-Rex.
Ah, T-Rex?
好咁 OK 咗咧，我哋就可以帶嚟啱啱
Ang pangit, Lord. Nakakahiya naman to.
好咗之後記得油顏色啊！
Lagyan na daw natin ng mata. Oh my God, parang duling pa tong si T-Rex.
好眼仔畫好咗之後，咁我哋到下面
Tatawa na lang talaga ako sa drawing ko. Pagpasensyahan niyo na guys ha, hindi talaga ako marunong. Wala akong
慢慢
art.
啦，在出面畫得好好。咁就似個英文字字。
Parang si Bruni to eh. Wala na ako naintindihan.
好咁鼻哥啦，
Guys, nakakahiya. Kino-close up ko na sa inyo. Pero parang wala naman ako maintindihan sa mga ginagawa ko.
咁頭底咧，我哋會
Ano ba to? Horse ba tong dinodrawing natin? Ay, horse nga. Ayan, ganyan ginagaya namin siya. Pero kahit ginagaya ko siya, parang hindi ko pa rin siya magaya. Ganyan lang pala mag-drawing, no? Ang galing naman, sinimplify nila. Ang galing. We're done. Naka-drawing na tayo. Naintindihan niyo ba, guys, kung anong din-drawing ko? Ang pangit! Ito na, moment of truth. Compare nga natin yung drawing ni JR sa drawing ko.
I'm so extra. Nilagay pa ako ng cactus.
Wala namang cactus. Ang haba nung paa nung akin, parang naging ostrich.
Hindi tayo.
Nakakahiya.
Nice. Okay. Okay, look at the bones. What?
Okay lang. Tignan nyo. Nagdo-drawing siya using walis. Si Wall-E. Galing ni Kuya. Dito to sa tapat ng Theater of Performing Arts. So I got a postcard. Yeah, ito yung mga postcards. It's for 29 Hong Kong dollars. And you can actually put it in the mailbox for free. Drop it to the mailbox outside City Hall. Free postage. Yan, gawin natin yan today. So nandito tayo sa City Hall kasi sa tapat nun yung mailbox. You can actually mail your postcard na binili mo sa park. Lagyan mo ng pangalan mo, address mo, zip and all. Siyempre, free naman ang pag-mail. So gusto ko lang i-check, tapos i-share ko sa Facebook group ko or sa page ko kung successful yung pagpadala nila. Ang ganda kasi nito, momentous to, oh. Memorable. Ayan, nasuot ko na yung address namin. Ayan. And then, tara, let's go to the mailbox. So you can also get this I'm celebrating. If you're celebrating anything, like for example, birthday, anniversary, or celebrating life, celebrating you're here in Disneyland, celebrating your first international travel ever, pwede to. So guys, do you want to send yourself a postcard from Hong Kong Disneyland? So for example, first time nyo dito, first international travel, o kaya you're just celebrating anything and you want to give yourself a postcard. This postcard, I bought it in the stores. Maraming postcards in the stores for 29 Hong Kong dollars. Sulatan mo ng name and address mo. Go to the City Hall and then find this mailbox. 1, 2, 3. Bye! So yun, antayin ko na lang sa bahay namin. Tsaka guys, nag-iiba-iba to. Si Joy na ngayon. Kanina iba rin eh. We have this mint-flavored soft-serve ice cream. So I think, ano to eh? Ano nga tawag sa kanya? Kay Sally, no? Sally ba pangalan?
Sally.
Okay. Hindi sigurado. So ito yung kay Sally na mint chocolate-flavored soft-serve ice cream. So it's for 65 Hong Kong dollars. Yan. So we are waiting for the Fantastic Parade. Meron pa rin Fantastic Parade ngayong summer. grabe, ang ganda ng Fantastic Parade pa din. Kahit na ilang beses ko na siya napanood, kahit na halos memorize ko na yung kanta, maganda pa din siya. Wala, tapos na yung pictorial ni Jessie, hindi na ako makakasingit, pero pahahay ko na lang siya sa atin. Jessie, bye! Bye, Jessie! It's Woody! It's Woody over here!
Okay. 1, 2, 3, and smile. One more, 1, 2, 3, and smile. Other pose. One more, 1, 2, 3, and smile. 1, 2, 3. Alright.
Thank you so much. Alright,
Thank you so much, miss.
Guys, we are here inside Mystic Manor. Sasakyan na ulit natin to. After how many years na hindi tayo sumasakay dito? Just because ayoko lang sumakay. Pero maraming may favorite dito. May pila lang ng konti. Pero we're next naman na.
Oh my! Well, we shall see when we open it, shall we? Hello there. Yeah, I was just looking for. Oh, there's the music box I told you about. I must find my little friend. Albert, there you are. You didn't touch that music box, did you? You never know. The legend just might be true. Well, I do hope you've enjoyed your visit to Mystic Manor. Cheerio!
Ganda ng effect. Guys, wait time. 5 minutes na naman. Parang last month, nag-Grizzly Gulch din ako. Parang lagi naman ako sumasakay dito. Kasi nga favorite. We're waiting for Pixar Pal Spectacular.
来，我抱你，等一下。麦克风给我，麦克风给我。